So Apple just announced that the Home app is getting an AI adaptive temperature, and it's about to make your thermostat scary smart. If you've ever wished for your home could predict the perfect temperature before you even noticed you were hot or cold, this is it. Stick with me here, because this feature could not only make your home more comfortable, but it could also save you serious money here on your energy bills. So what exactly is AI adaptive temperature, and why is Apple calling it the future of smart home climate control? Traditional thermostats, even the smart ones, usually rely on schedules or simple motion sensors. Whereas this Apple adaptive temperature, discovered in the code for iOS 26, goes much deeper. It uses AI-driven, proactive climate control that factors not just in time of day, but motion. It also understands your routines, occupancy patterns, outside weather data, and even efficiency goals. So I want you to imagine this. You're usually home from work around 6 p.m., but today you got stuck there late. Instead of cooling or heating an empty house, Apple's system knows when you're delayed, thanks to the integration from location data as well as your calendar. In this case, it knows you're delayed, and it will delay kicking on the system until you're close to home. And that's the power of what AI-driven temperature control will be. This means that there's going to be less wasted energy, lower overall bills, and a more comfortable home, all without you having to lift a finger. So let me tell you, we are offering one-on-one calls. If you need any help with your smart home, click the link in the video description down below and we'll help you get started in your very own AI Apple-powered smart home. My second point is going to be how it learns your habits. How does it actually learn the habits that you like? This feature is designed to adapt to your personal routines over time. If you usually lower your thermostat at night, the AI remembers. And if you liked it colder while cooking dinner, it picks up on that too. Apple is essentially training your thermostat to become personalized for you, just like it does with the Apple Music playlist. It's going to learn more about you and adapt to what you actually live your life like. The AI leverages Apple's on-device machine learning to protect your privacy while still gathering enough insight to predict your comfort. And that's a big differentiator from other smart home thermostats that are often relying on cloud-based learning. Instead of adapting to your thermostat is going to start adapting to you. The big question that you might be asking, can this actually save you money? The answer is absolutely yes, because it's not just guessing. It's optimizing. The AI can reduce unnecessary heating and cooling when nobody's home, adjust based on real-life weather data, and even coordinate with your utilities' energy-saving programs in the future. Our friends at Apple Insider report that this could save significant energy and definitely cut your bills. And it's not just great for your wallet, but also great for sustainability. You can think of it like hiring an energy coach built right into your thermostat. One that never forgets or overlooks a single detail. Point number 4, how is this going to stand out from the competitors like Nest, Ecobee, and others? What is going to make this Apple version of a thermostat better than the smart thermostats that are already out there? We have market leaders like Google Nest and Ecobee that have already had learning thermostats for almost a decade. But Apple's edge comes from deep ecosystem integration, the Apple walled garden. Adaptive temperature works across the Apple ecosystem, in the Home app, through HomeKit, and other Matter-compatible devices. Meaning it's not just a thermostat. It's going to work with every single aspect of your smart home to coordinate, like smart blinds, fans, humidity sensors, just to name a few. This will balance out the climate more intelligently for a whole home smart home. I want you to think about this. Your blinds will lower during a heat wave, while your AC knows that it needs to adjust in the background. And these are all triggered by Apple's AI engine without you having to program a single scene. This isn't just going to be a thermostat upgrade, this is going to be an entire ecosystem upgrade. So I'm happy to see that Apple might actually dive into the AI. I know smart homes can be tricky, and that's why I'm offering one-to-one consulting. If you have questions, anything that I can help you answer, click the link in the video description down below and book a call. I'd love to help you out. And my final point, when is this actually going to be rolling out? Right now, adaptive temperature is hidden in the code of iOS 26. That suggests that Apple is preparing to announce it with the new next generation of products, like the HomePod and iOS 26. Some of these features may roll out in phases, starting with the thermostats already supported, and maybe later expanding to other climate-based devices. So if you're already in the Apple Home ecosystem, this could just be a firmware update in the latest version of iOS 26. No new hardware required. So let's recap. Apple's AI adaptive temperature isn't just about controlling your thermostat. It's about learning how your home works smarter for you. Comfort, savings, and automation, all happening in the background for you. The future of the smart home isn't just connected, it's about being predictive, and that's what's happening here. So now that you know more about Apple's AI adaptive temperature, you might be wondering, how does this connect to Matter, the universal smart home standard? Well, that's what I cover in this next video. Definitely check it out. If this video provided you any value today, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more smart home content. We're posting here almost weekly about how I can help you build out your dream smart home. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and we'll definitely see you in the next video.